Today we're going to do a complete home smoke alarm system test in this house. Oftentimes when you test smoke alarms with a test button, it will only test the alarming circuits. So it's a good idea to also test your smoke alarms with some canned smoke. That way it's a safe way of doing it. But I have some canned solo A4. It just creates a simulated smoke. And we'll go through and physically test both the sensor and the alarm on all the smoke alarms in this house to ensure that they are working. This is the same house where we installed the eufy security system. You might recognize it. So there are 3 smoke alarms that are hardwired into the house, and then a 4th smoke alarm, as you can see up there, that is the eufy smoke alarm. So we'll go ahead and test that out while we're testing everything else out. The smoke alarms in this house come from the Kidde Detect series. This one is a Kidde 20 S.E.R. It's their standard photoelectric hardwired with the AA battery backup version. They make a lot of different versions in the Detect series. Another one being out in the hallway, we have a Kidde 30 CU-AR Detect series. This one is a dual carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. It's nice to also get some built-in carbon monoxide detection in the house. Anyways, these are all photoelectric, and Kidde advertises these alarms as being able to detect smoke 25% faster than their other models. And that's with the front sensor design. So I guess we'll put that to the test today with some canned smoke. I do not have any canned carbon monoxide on me. However, I have done a video like that before if you want to see me testing out some carbon monoxide alarms with real carbon monoxide. Okay, hearing protection in, let's go ahead and test out the first alarm in one of the bedrooms here. Here we go. That was pretty quick. It's also a good opportunity to test out the hush button, make sure it works. Here's the next smoke alarm. Let's go ahead and give it a test. I would say that works. For the final test here, I'm going to spray a bunch of the smoke at both of these alarms, and I guess we'll see which one sounds first. And then I probably will get a call from the monitoring company for the eufy smoke alarm, and then you might hear the security alarm also go off in the background from that alarm as well. So let's go ahead and give it all a test. Go ahead and hush that. And then still nothing from this one. We'll give it some more. Still kind of almost out of this stuff. There we go. Hello.
Hello, this is Adam with eufy Security. Call regarding, we received a fire alarm from a smoke detector house at 11:06 a.m. followed by a cancel signal at 11:07 a.m. Do you know if everything's okay?
Yeah, everything's okay.
All right, I'll go ahead and mark that everything's okay. Take care.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.
Well, when met with smoke, I'd say all these alarms in the house did do their normal, proper smoke alarm operations as far as making noise, and for the eufy one, contacting the monitoring company and sounding the security alarm. I'd say all these alarms did a great job at what they do. I try and do this for all of my friends and family, and I highly recommend that you do this for the alarms in your house as well. It's just a great peace of mind knowing that not only the alarm works, but also the sensor. So that's going to be today's smoke alarm system test. Thank you for watching this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe, and please have a great day.